I'm a family guy.
Hello.
You know, I've always wanted to be married.
Come on, man, we gotta get ready for school.
I wanted to have a lot of kids. Family is the most important thing.
Every morning is an adventure.
It's what I fight for. It's what I try to be successful for. I want to see my family have an abundance. I want to see us get rid of any financial stress.
Neighbors are building a pool.
Every time I fight and every time I take a step towards that title, it puts me in a position where I'm looking at the house that I envision. I'm looking at that pool in the back for my boys to play in, that big yard. They appreciate seeing their dad training. That's what keeps me driving, keeps me pushing. When I get this world title, when I reign over the division, our life is gonna change dramatically.
As 170-pound fighters go, Tyron Woodley is one of the stronger ones.
Literally has tree trunks for legs. The guy is just an athletic freak.
Just shredded, big, looks imposing. Could be a football player. He's a fighter.
I'm really tailor-made for this sport. You know, I'm compact, I'm explosive, I'm hungry. You know, I have heavy hands, I have good wrestling, I got a good takedown defense. I'll be a very hard guy to beat in this division, you know, just using all the things I've been blessed with, all the gifts, the hard work and the mindset, the mentality I take into mixed martial arts. It's one of a champion.
Pro athletes like Tyron requires a lot of attention.
Kick. It's really tight through here.
When you think about a chiropractor, you think about somebody popping your back, 20 minutes in and out, but when you go in there and the guy's actually analyzing the balance of your body and seeing what muscles are firing.
Got a lot of work to do. Let's have you face up.
Or even something as small as your hand. These hands are what we make our money with. So for those little small things or little small advantages, I think that make the world a difference in a fight.
In these guys, they all train hard. It's that millisecond of response and the muscle memory that really counts.
Kick. Much better. Good now.
You were missed, Doc.
So if I could get him to the extra milliseconds, I did my job.
Good. Good motion. Walk around, see how that feels.
Feel good.
Awesome.
Tyron Woodley, 6 wins via submission.
Tyron Woodley started out his career 10-0, looked like a very, very bright up-and-coming prospect.
Woodley goes on the attack. Coy now. Woodley takes Coy down.
Very, very effective in what he did.
He was able to get the fight to where he wanted it to and get the victories he needed to get to move forward in his career.
When you come into any sport, you know, you lean into your background. For me, it was natural for me to lean to my wrestling.
Woodley went 48-0 in his senior year of high school as a wrestler.
Built a name for himself in Strike Force.
There's an elbow.
And still undefeated, Tyron Woodley.
Tyron Woodley comes into the UFC. His first fight is against Jay Haran.
Jay the Thoroughbred Haran, 23 wins, 12 first-round finishes.
I knew he was a veteran. He had 12 finishes in the first round. He was a very seasoned, gamed opponent.
Tyron Woodley is a massive welterweight. His wrestling is top-notch and working very hard to...
Oh! Big shot, looking to finish it right away. Haran just trying to survive. Big shot, ground and pound. That's it. It's all over. Just like that.
What? Wow. Tyron Woodley just made a statement, ladies and gentlemen.
That was truly a scary knockout. I mean, for somebody that we thought was a wrestler, he announced immediately that he had striking as well.
These guys who are great wrestlers have to evolve. They have to learn some other stuff. You're not always going to be able to take a fight to the mat.
I really focus on evolving my striking. Your power is developed with timing and technique. Anybody can swing an arm punch very hard, but the person who has good accuracy and get on that person's chin as fast as they can, as hard as they can, those are the ones that push you to sleep.
Bring it on, come on! And here we go! Big uppercut, big right hand by Woodley. And big knee.
Oh, another nice right hand.
The Koscheck fight was huge for me. Fighting a guy like that that's fought for a world title, beating a lot of top-level guys, had over 20 fights in the UFC.
That's it. Now that's it.
All over!
Oh my goodness.
Woodley knocks out Josh Koscheck.
Oh my goodness.
Wow! That is power.
Tyron Woodley is very exciting now. You can ask Josh Koscheck and Jay Hieron how exciting Tyron Woodley is. He comes in there to bang now, and I think he's got everything. He's got top-level wrestling, but he's bringing heavy hands, and that brings an entire new element to his game. This fight, to me, really means who's number 2. We've got a new title fight on the horizon, but we've also got to figure out who's next.
I think there's a reason that fight is the co-main event on this card right after the welterweight title fight, with the understanding that the winners of these 2 fights may wind up meeting later in the year.
Carlos Condit is a phenomenal matchup for me. When I looked at the welterweight division, and I look at the guys that are ranked high that I do well against, just on pure style matchup, and he was one of the guys, and he was close to the top of the list.
We're always trying to climb. We're always trying to climb the ladder. He's got everything to gain, nothing to lose, really. But I know that I have the abilities and the skills to take him out.
It's going to be high-paced. I think we're going to be in each other's face. We want to go home with a Fighting Night bonus. We want to go home and, with some extra change that we didn't expect to get. I got to get to the top, and it's through him.